Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. You're watching the news sprint, and let's look at the news that made the headlines today. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau acknowledged a shift in India-Canada relations following a US indictment alleging an Indian conspiracy to murder a Sikh separatist on American soil. Trudeau noted an openness to collaboration, emphasizing the importance of standing up for rights and the rule of law. The tension arose when Trudeau suggested a potential link between the Indian government and the killing of a pro-Khalistani leader Hardeep Singh Nijjar in Canada, a claim vehemently rejected by India. The recent US indictment charged an Indian national in connection with a foiled plot to assassinate a US citizen. Bangladesh's main opposition party urged voters to abstain from what it labeled a one-sided dummy election scheduled for January. This call comes as Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina officially launched her campaign for a fourth consecutive term. The Bangladesh Nationalist Party (BNP), facing challenges with its top leaders either incarcerated or in exile, has been advocating for Hasina's resignation. The BNP is also demanding the establishment of a neutral authority to replace the government and supervise the January 7 polls, which they have chosen not to participate in. Hasina has firmly rejected such demands, attributing the recent anti-government protests in Dhaka, resulting in at least 10 casualties since late October, to the instigation of the BNP. Today, the Lok Sabha passed a bill that seeks to regulate a new system for appointing chief election commissioners and election commissioners. Previously, the Rajya Sabha had given its approval to the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners' appointment conditions of service and term of office Bill 2023. With this, the legislation has now been cleared by both houses of parliament and is set to be sent to the President for approval. According to the provisions of the bill, the appointment of the Chief Election Commissioner is to be made based on the recommendations of a panel consisting of the Prime Minister, the Leader of the Opposition, and a Union Minister. The bill was passed through a voice vote in the midst of the absence of a significant number of opposition MPs. In response to last week's security breach, India's parliament shifted security responsibility to the Central Industrial Security Force, replacing Delhi Police. The move aimed to streamline protocols and prevent overlapping roles. The CISF, known for securing sensitive locations, then guarded access points, including frisking entrants. The Lok Sabha Secretariat remained responsible for internal security, while Delhi Police continued to protect the outer perimeter. The decision followed a detailed security sweep ordered by the Home Ministry after individuals breached Parliament, triggering heightened security measures, including the installation of body scan machines and enhanced entity protocols. On Thursday, 3 Congress members of Parliament were suspended from the Lok Sabha for the duration of the winter session due to unruly behaviour. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi moved a motion calling for the suspension of D.K. Suresh, Deepak Baij and Nakul Nath. With this, the total number of suspensions in the lower house has reached 100. In a recent crackdown, Mysuru Health Department shuttered 23 illegal diagnostic centers, citing document absence and rule violations under the Karnataka Private Medical Establishment Act. Investigations probed potential involvement in illicit activities, including fetal sex detection and illegal abortions. Data deletion was discovered in recent raids. The state government transferred the female feticide investigation to the CID, offering a ₹1 lakh cash reward for informers. A helpline was established to report illegal sex determination, addressing the declining female-to-male ratio, a concern emphasized by State Health Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao. In a recent development, Sai Krishna Jagali, a Karnataka-based techie and son of a retired Deputy Superintendent of Police, was taken into custody by Delhi Police in connection with the Parliament security breach. The arrest followed his alleged friendship with Manoranjan D, one of the intruders who trespassed into the Lok Sabha chamber last week. Jagali, who works for a multinational company in Bengaluru, was reportedly Manoranjan's college roommate. Jagali's sister confirmed the Delhi Police visit, stating her brother had cooperated with the inquiry, emphasizing his innocence in the matter. On Thursday, Suzlon Group, a provider of renewable energy solutions, announced that it has secured a contract from KP Group to develop a wind energy project with a capacity of 193.2 megawatts in Gujarat. According to a statement from Suzlon Group, this new order is part of a wind-solar hybrid and state transmission utility tariff-based project aimed at increasing the contribution of renewable energy in Gujarat. As per the agreement, Suzlon Group will deliver 92 2 units of its S120 2.1 megawatt wind turbine generators with a 140 hybrid lattice tubular tower at locations in Wagra and Vilayat within the Bharuch district of Gujarat. Sanjay Singh became the new president of the Wrestling Federation of India as his panel emerged victorious in the delayed elections, granting outgoing chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh an indirect influence over the sports body. Sanjay, a Brij Bhushan loyalist and vice president of the UP Wrestling Association, secured 40 votes, surpassing his rival Anita Sharon, who received 7 votes. Sanjay is affiliated with the RSS and hails from Varanasi, maintains a close association with Bhushan. The election of the new Executive Council will also facilitate the removal of the UWW ban on WFI. Ahead of the release of his film Donkey, Shah Rukh Khan engaged in an Ask SRK session on X, where he responded to a user praising his son Abraham's rapid growth and iconic pose recreation. Shah Rukh expressed the family's affection for hugs, referencing Abraham's viral video during his school's annual day function. Previously, SRK had shared his jeans influence on such expressions. क्या करें, जीन्स में लगता है कभी दुआ में और कभी गले लगाने के लिए. The much anticipated film Donkey, produced by Rajkumar Hirani and Gauri Khan, featured Boman Irani, Taapsee Pannu, Vicky Kaushal and more, released on December 21st, coinciding with Prabhas's Salar. Those were the key updates for today. Stay informed by tuning into Daily Salar Digital and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more timely updates.